video is going to be about what I do when I really want to make something cool, but I don't have a 3D printer. And I've always been a crafty person, so for me, like, I always just kind of just do with what I got. So I wanted to make a cool toolbox for the back of here that can hold my lipo that I use to power my RunCam Thumb and my FPV system. So what I did was, I found a nail box, and it was way too tall and way too wide, but I took my Dremel, I put a little cutting disc on it, and I just kind of cut the width down and I cut the height down. I made sure I left it closed the whole time. Then, to get that cool ribbing pattern that kind of looks like a toolbox, I actually found these TV dinners that have this little ribbing on the side that I cut down, and I used a little bit of liquid electrical tape to put it into place. And when I put the back in with that same liquid electrical tape, because of the elasticity, it acts like a hinge. And now, because I left it closed the whole time, it still latches. So I have that lipo to power my RunCam Thumb and my FPV system. And then I have the original battery that goes underneath the hood, and it powers the whole truck. So I got a cool little toolbox, didn't need a 3D printer for, and now I can hook up my Wpl B14, not only FPV like it used to have, but also RunCam Thumb and keep the battery hidden. We're going to throw a quick little video in of that driving around, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as I do. Alright, if you stuck around this long, I'd just like to thank you for watching. And just give a little bit of channel updates, little channel news. We're going to always have like FPV videos and stuff like that, obviously. Always going to have fishing videos. Hopefully a lot of them are going to come out this year. Also, I want to get back into bonsai videos. I still have all my plans. I really want to get back into doing bonsai videos. Probably going to do some arts and craft videos. I really want to get into cooking videos. And we're just going to really be a variety channel if I'm doing what I want to do. So I hope you all stick around for the journey. I hope you all enjoy, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!